Video, I will show you the top 50 free Cydia tweaks compatible with iOS 9. Better shut down. This tweak will give you some more options when you go to the power down menu of your device. You can see here you will have power off, reboot or respring. You can choose either one of these options from the shutdown menu. Now if you go to the settings of this tweak, here you can disable it on the lock screen. You can choose between two different themes and you can enable or disable safe mode. Enable live photos. This tweak will bring the live photos feature from the iPhone 6s and the 6s Plus to older devices. You can see this button right here. All you have to do is just tap it, and now when you take a picture, it will take a live picture. You can see here. Now when I go to take a look at this picture, all I have to do is just tap it, and as you can see, we have a live photo right there. This tweak doesn't have any options to configure. All you have to do is install it. Blurry badges. This tweak will add this nice blur to the badges of your icons, and as you can see right here, the color of the badge will match the color of the icon. Now if you go to the settings of this tweak, here you can set the border size, the border color, and you can also set here the badge tint. CC background. This tweak allows you to customize the background of your control center by adding any of your images as the background of your control center. To do that, you need to go to your settings, go to CC background, enable it, then go here, select image, and you can pick any of your images and set it as the background of your control center. Faces. This tweak allows you to customize the lock screen of your device by adding different images as the background of the passcode buttons. You can see here you can add a different image for each of the passcode buttons on your lock screen. Now to do that, you need to go to your settings, go to faces, enable it, then here have choose images. If you go here, you will have all the buttons. Just click one of them and you can choose the background for that button. Reveal menu. This tweak will add the 3D touch feature to older iOS 9 devices. You can see right here, all I have to do is just tap and hold one of the icons, and now it will give me options here just like it does on 3D touch devices. You can see here I don't have to lift my finger, just tap, and then I can slide my finger like this, just release it, and I can take a quick action directly from that menu. Sleek code. This tweak allows you to customize the passcode screen of your iOS 9 device. You can see here how cool it looks. You have no circles here around the buttons. It looks very nice. And if you go to the settings of this tweak, here have passcode settings. If you go here, you can enable blur. You can also disable the button rings, button animations. You can also hide the emergency button. And if you go back, here have a respring button for all the changes to take effect. CC loader. This tweak allows you to customize the control center of your device by enabling or disabling any of these sections of the control center. Now if you go to the settings of this tweak, here you can enable or disable any of these sections. You can also rearrange them any way you like. Spotlight be gone. This tweak allows you to disable the spotlight from your home screen. You can also disable the search page that you have on the left side of your home screen. Now to do that, you need to go to your settings, go to Spotlight be gone, and here you have two toggles where you can enable or disable the spotlight on your device. Share Pro. This tweak will add this floating button on your home screen which you can move anywhere you like, and it allows you to quickly share from anywhere on your home screen. You just tap this button and here it will give you options to share to your social media. And if you tap and hold this button, then it will give you some other options here. You can shut down, restart, respring, or send to safe mode your device. Icon Bounce. This tweak will add these nice animations to the icons of your dock on your iOS 9 device. Now if you go to the settings of this tweak, here you can enable it. You have different animations right here. You can disable or enable any of these animations, and if you go back, then you have here the bounce interval, and also you have the animation duration, and you can set them with these sliders right here. Shift cycle. This is a very useful tweak which allows you to select a text and then you can just press the Shift key, and as you can see, you can change all the text. You can set all the text on uppercase, or tap once again and you can change the complete text in lowercase. Better 5-column home screen. This tweak allows you to add another column of icons on your home screen, and now you will have 5 instead of 4. Now this tweak doesn't have any options to configure, but to download it you will need to add a repo, which I will put in the description. Status HUD 2. This tweak will replace your stock volume HUD and will place the volume HUD here on the status bar. As you can see, when I change the volume of my device, you can see here the HUD will be placed on the status bar. Now if you go to the settings of this tweak, you have an enabled button, then here you have style. You can choose between 2 different styles, and also you can change its size right here. Double cut. This tweak allows you to enter your email anywhere you want simply by double tapping a key on your keyboard. Now you can see right here I'm using the add key, double tap on that, and as you can see it will enter my email. Now if you go to the settings of this tweak, here you can set which key you want to use. You just go here, enter the key, and then enter your email right here and click save. CC now playing. This tweak allows you to easily share what you're listening to your social media. As you can see right here, you have a Twitter and a Facebook icon. All you have to do is just tap that and you can quickly share this to your social media. Fake carrier. This tweak allows you to change the name of your carrier to any name you want. Here when you install it, you will get this icon on your home screen. You open it up, then go here to fake carrier, enter any text right here, and then just click set. Folder 6 Plus. This tweak will add some very cool features to the folders on your iOS 9 device. As you can see right here, it will add a 4x4 layout to your folders, and also it will allow you to create nested folders, which means that you can create a new folder inside of a folder. Delete forever. This tweak allows you to easily delete pictures permanently from your device so that you don't have to go to the recently deleted folder and delete them once again. All you have to do is just tap here and this picture will be deleted from the device and you won't see it on the recently deleted album. Status bar timer. Whenever you start the stopwatch or the timer on your clock app, you will see the timer right here on the status bar right next to the clock. A very useful tweak. It doesn't have any options to configure. All you have to do is install it. Battery icon. This tweak will add this battery icon on the springboard of your device, and when you tap it, it will take you directly to the battery settings on your settings app. And notice this battery icon is live, so it will change depending on the percentage of battery that you have on your device. NC Date Customizer. This tweak allows you to customize the date on the notification sender. As you can see right here, you can place all the text in one row. You can also change its color. Now if you go to the settings of this tweak, here you have all the options with which you can customize the date on your notification sender. CC Matters. This tweak will add some very useful information to the control center of your device. Here you will have the percentage of usage of your CPU, here you have your free RAM memory, here you have your free space on your device, and then here you have the data, the upload and the download. Alarm. This tweak allows you to easily turn on or off all the alarms that you have set on your device. You can see this toggle right here. You can easily go ahead and turn on or off all the alarms that you have set on your device. CC Settings. This tweak allows you to make more use of the control center of your device. It allows you to add or remove any toggles you want. You can see right here I have a bunch of toggles, and you can add them or remove them simply by going to the settings of this tweak. Here you have Include, and then down here you have Do Not Include. If you want to remove one, you just drag them down here. You can also go ahead and rearrange them any way you like. No Carrier. This is a simple tweak that allows you to remove the carrier text from the status bar of your iOS 9 device. This tweak doesn't have any options to configure. all you have to do is install it. Battery life. This tweak will give you detailed information about the battery life of your device. When you install it, you will get this icon on your home screen. You tap it, and here you will have all the detailed information about the life of your battery. System Apereo. This is a simple tweak. All it does is that it will blur out this part right here. When you open your control center, as you can see, it will blur out all this part right here, and it looks pretty cool. No page dots 7. This tweak will remove the page dots from the home screen of your device. As you can see right here, you will have a nice clean look without the page dots. Photo size. This tweak will show you the size of your photos when you select them. Here you can see when I select one picture, it will show this size right here, and when I select more, it will show the size of all these pictures right here. Minimal hood. This tweak will replace your stock volume hood with this very cool volume hood. As you can see it right here on the side of the device. It looks very cool and it won't interrupt you anything on your screen. Now if you go to the settings of this tweak, you have an enable button. Then here you can choose between 4 different themes, and also you can change its position right here. Time until alarm. This tweak will show you the time that you have left until your alarm goes off. You can see right here you will have the hours and the minutes right beside the alarm that you have set. Advanced Settings 8. This tweak allows you to have access to hidden settings of your device. Now to do that, all you have to do is just tap and hold the settings icon. As you can see right here, this page will pop up, and here you have all the hidden settings of your device. Now if you change any of these settings and you want to return them to their default, you will have this button right here. Just tap here and it will restore all the default settings. Album shot. This tweak will create a separate folder for each of the apps where you take a screenshot. You can see right here I have calculator. I did take a screenshot on the calculator app, and now it will place it on the calculator album on the photo library. Better 5 icon dock. This tweak allows you to add one more icon to the dock of your device. As you can see here, you can have 5 icons instead of 4. Alkaline. This tweak allows you to customize the battery icon on the status bar of your device. If you go to the settings of this tweak, here you will have an enable button to enable or disable this tweak. Then here you have theme. If you go here, you will have 3 different themes that you can choose from. Better 4x4 folders. This tweak allows you to have a 4x4 layout on the folders of your iOS 9 device. As you can see right here, we have a 4x4 layout, so you can have more apps on a page on your folders. Elm Poem. This tweak will add more options to your device when you take a screenshot. You can see right here, if I take a screenshot on my device, it will ask me if I want to save it to photo library, copy it, upload it, or I can go ahead and share this screenshot directly from here. Forcey. This tweak will bring the 3D touch feature to older iOS devices. You can see right here, if I swipe up on the icon of the camera, here it will show me the same options as it shows on 3D touch devices. You can see if I tap here, I can go ahead and quickly record a video directly from here. Save Gram. This tweak allows you to save pictures from Instagram. It's pretty easy to use. All you have to do is just tap the dots right here, and as you can see, you will have a save option here to save this picture to your camera roll. Blurred. This tweak will change the look of the keyboard on your iOS 9 device. As you can see right here, you will have a dark keyboard instead of the stock white keyboard that you get on your iOS 9 device. Now if you go to the settings of this tweak, all you have here is an enable button to enable or disable this tweak. Circle icons. This tweak will make all the icons in the settings app circles. As you can see right here, all the icons are in circles. Very cool tweak. It doesn't have any options to configure. Date in status bar. This tweak allows you to add the current date on the status bar of your device. You can see right here on the left side you will have the date, while on the right side you will have the clock.